Hello everyone, welcome Taste the World channel again. Happy to say this is our 4th episode, and today we will go Maldives to see what's the local food there. Number 1, Rashi. Rashi is a traditional flatbread from the Maldives, made from a mixture of wheat flour, water, and salt. It is often served with curries, stews, and other dishes. It is a staple food that is enjoyed by locals and visitors alike, and is an important part of the Maldives' culinary heritage. Number 2, Garadia. Garadia is a traditional Maldivian soup dish made from fish and is a staple food in the country. It is made by boiling fish bones with chili, garlic, onions, lemon and other spices to create a rich, flavorful broth. The dish is a unique blend of sweet, salty, and spicy flavors, and is a great example of the island nation's seafood-focused cuisine. Number 3, Mas huni. Mas huni is a traditional Maldivian dish that is a staple food in the country. It is made from grated coconut, chili peppers, and onions that are mixed together with smoked tuna or dried fish, then wrapped in a thin layer of dough made from flour and coconut milk, and finally baked in an oven. Mas huni is typically served with flatbread or rashi, and is a popular breakfast food in the Maldives. Number 4, Faluda. Faluda is a popular dessert dish in the Maldives that is made with a mixture of sweet ingredients such as rose syrup, vermicelli noodles, milk, and ice cream. It is usually served in a tall glass and is enjoyed for its sweet and refreshing taste. The dish originates from India and has been adopted into the local cuisine in the Maldives. Number 5, Kokolo Riha. Kokolo Riha is a traditional Maldivian dish made from shredded chicken, coconut milk, and a blend of spices. The chicken is cooked with coconut milk and various spices, including cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili powder, to create a rich and flavorful sauce. Thanks for watching Taste the World channel, and see more detail in toptravelguide.appspot.com.